My name is Dennis Richard. It is May 19th, 2010, and I have one of the Nano Wands. Well, first I'm going to test with this pendulum, and I'm going to ask it, does the Nano Wand have any value in healing at all? Okay. I don't know how well you can see this, but this is an indication to me for a no. Has zero value at all. Okay, this is the Amega Wand right here. Okay, the Amega Wand, does this have any value for healing? Okay, this is a yes for me. First I'm going to weigh them so that you realize that there is a difference in weight. If there was no difference in weight, I wouldn't bother wasting the money taking them apart. But I'm very concerned so many people have been hustled by buying knockoffs, and I have bought 5 different wands beside the Amega Wand to try and test to see what one has the most value. This is a postage scale. This is the Nano Wand right there. And you can see it's testing at 0.14. This is the Amega Wand right here, wherever you can see the emblem. That's about the only difference you can see is the Amega Wand has this emblem on top, and then there's something that indicates that Amega Wand right here. It says Amega. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to put this on. Okay, we're back to 0. I'll put that on there. And you can see with the Amega Wand, it is 0.17. So there's 3/10 of an ounce more in the Amega Wand in weight than there is in a Nano Wand. And this is the same thing I found with all 5 of the knockoffs of the Amega. Now I'm going to set this up and take it apart. I'm going to take the Nano Wand apart. This was the Nano Wand. There's no emblem, and it doesn't say anything here, so that's where you know this is a knockoff. It's not an original Amega Wand. I've never done this before, obviously. It's a pretty expensive experiment, but I feel confident that there isn't any value there, and since there's a difference in weight, I'm expecting to find this empty, and I'm expecting to find something in the Amega Wand. Well, it's getting looser, but it doesn't seem to be screwing off. I guess I'm going to have to cut it. So I'm going to do my best to cut it across the end, and I'm going to try and cut the end of it off, and we'll see what's there. Okay. And there's nothing. It's indicating it's all metal. I'm going to cut it long ways now, so if there's something there, we'll hopefully be able to identify it. Now there's some stuff in here, because I was first thinking that those larger pieces came off of my cutter, but they didn't. So I have no idea what this stuff is. Okay, that's 0.6 ounces. Okay, I have the Amega Wand, I tell you, this is very, very difficult for me to waste this much money because I'm personally totally convinced that the Amega Wand has value because of my muscle testing, plus my personal experience in the use of it. I've seen a benefit with the Amega Wand. I've never seen a benefit with the other Nano Wand or any of the knockoffs. I don't want people thinking, oh well, they can buy the same thing for 10 or 20 cents on a dollar somewhere else, because the ones that are selling this knockoff, it has no value. Fortunately, I was right. Take a look. This screws in. If you follow, can you see that? I'm going to look and see here in the camera. There are threads on this. It screws out, so I don't have to cut it like the other one. And I can already see that this has got a lot more stuff in it than the other one. This is not crystals like that other. This is solid. These crystals are actually compacted in here. I don't know. It looks like a powdery substance. It doesn't look like those big balls of miniature BBs like in the other one. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm talking about, that this is filled right to the top. That was really hurting to take something that I know works and take that much, spend that much money to take it apart. So hopefully I'll be able to get it back together so it'll won't hurt it at all. Thank you for paying attention and watching this video, and hopefully this will satisfy any questions you may have about which what wand has the most value, and it removes any doubt as to the fact that the Nano Wand definitely is superior to the knockoffs I've tested.